Why truckers swear by this backup camera. Buyers Products 7-inch night vision kit review. Ever feel stuck, frustrated, or downright anxious trying to back up your truck, RV, or trailer? Blind spots can turn a simple maneuver into a nerve-wracking gamble. Relying on mirrors alone feels outdated and unsafe, and wasting time inching back and forth just fuels stress. Without reliable tools, every reverse can feel like you're gambling with safety and sanity. Now picture this. Crushing deadlines breathing down your neck, traffic piling up, and that sickening crunch when you misjudge space. Stress skyrockets, burnout creeps in, and opportunities slip away as minor accidents become costly repairs. Safety risks mount daily while confidence erodes. The lack of visibility isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous, exhausting, and slowly draining your focus behind the wheel. Enter the Buyers Products Rearview Backup Camera System, your instant relief from blind spot nightmares. This 7-inch LED full-color monitor transforms your cabin into a command center, delivering sharp, real-time visuals of everything behind you. The heated night vision camera lets you see even in pitch black or icy conditions, while the audio feed adds an extra layer of awareness. One RV driver recalls a heart-pounding moment when a child darted behind their motorhome. This system instantly revealed the danger, preventing disaster. With its IP69K rated weatherproof housing, 65-foot cable for easy installation, and auto-on activation when reversing, the system ensures stress-free safety every time. Toggle between up to 3 feeds with the wireless remote, tailoring your view to any situation. Whether you're navigating a crowded campsite, reversing a delivery truck in the rain, or parking a trailer at night, this system doesn't just save time, it saves your nerves, your vehicle, and possibly lives. Imagine workflows so streamlined that backing up feels effortless. That's the power of the Buyers Products 888-3000 Rearview Backup Camera Kit. Experts praise its rugged IP69K durability, saying it thrives in punishing environments from construction sites to snowy highways. Influencers highlight the auto-on convenience, showing how the monitor instantly springs to life in reverse, no fumbling, no delays. Fleet managers report measurable reductions in minor accidents and insurance claims after installation, a direct result of its clear visibility and reliability. Users rave about the night vision clarity, describing how the infrared feed makes obstacles light up in the dark. Truck drivers praise the peace of mind, saying stress melts away when they can finally see what's hidden behind trailers. One RV owner summed it up perfectly: it turned reversing from my worst nightmare into a no-brainer. And with versatile mounting options, a 2-year warranty, and the ability to monitor up to 3 cameras, it's more than a backup, it's a game-changer in vehicle safety. Curious why so many professionals, enthusiasts, and families swear by it? Dive in and discover why this kit is trusted by those who simply can't afford blind spots. Limited stock alert. Don't wait until the next close call to act. This is your chance to join thousands of truckers, RV owners, and fleet managers who've already upgraded to safer, stress-free driving. Secure your Buyers Products Rearview Backup Camera Kit today and experience what real peace of mind feels like behind the wheel. Supplies are moving fast, so act now, claim yours, and turn every reverse into a confident, safe move. Why risk it when safety is one decision away?